Hey everyone, my name is Pritam and you're watching Tech with Pri. Welcome to my channel and I'm back with another tech video. Now this is the 37th video of our newly created technical series called ServiceNow. So in my last video, we have understood the concept of knowledge management, which was very important, guys. And also we have seen like what is the need of knowledge management and how you can create knowledge article, how you can publish it, how you can retire it, how you can see all the feedbacks, ratings, and many more important things, right? So if you missed that video, don't worry, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Also, you can find the link right now here on your screen, right? So let's see what we are going to learn from today's video. All right, so today we are going to understand about workspace and employee center, and these are very important concept, guys, for ServiceNow CSA exam. And also, if you are learning ServiceNow for CSA exam, maybe you are learning as a whole, you want to move your path in ServiceNow in future, like me. So this is very important video for you because you need to understand different services that ServiceNow is providing for the agent and also for the user experience. So make sure you watch the full video to understand how these things are working. I'm going to show you in practically in my personal developer instance so that you can practice it also. And also I will share you at the end of the video that where you can get more knowledge about this, right? So let's start. All right. So first, before going into the workspace and the employee center, before we understand what are those things, what are those concept, let's understand very important thing like the different ways to interact with the service. Now few of the things we already know. So if we see the picture now, if we skip the workspace part, now you can see list and form. So we have already worked with list and form, right? Dashboard, right? Now this dashboard I'm going to cover in the upcoming video in the next section probably, so that don't worry on that. Knowledge base, we have the service catalog. So these things are covered like knowledge base, service catalog, list and form. You have already understood all these things in from my past video. If you haven't watched it, or if you have any doubt on any of this concept out of four, then you can watch my videos already there in my playlist. Okay, so we can interact with the service now with the help of a list view. So you know that not only you can see in the picture we have the incident list and incident form. This is just showing for the example. So we know that this is not only for this. If we go to anything, like if we go talk about business rules, if you talk about client script, so first you get a list view where list of the client script is there. For an example, when you click on new, if you want to create a new client script, then you get the form view. So this is a different kind of views. If I talk about, right? So this is a list view, this is the form view. We also have a knowledge base view or knowledge base area where we can search for the knowledge article we have learned from the last video already. Then we have a service catalog area from where we can order different stuff, like the end user can order different stuff like request for something, some software or some products. Also, they can log an incident if they're having any issue, right? They can log an incident with the help of the service catalog. You can see with the help of the dashboard also user get the the chart view. You can see here we are seeing the bar chart. However, we are going to discuss about dashboard later, but just to inform you, dashboard again is a centralized area where we can see a lot of different reports from a table and how they are looking, how the numbers looking. You can see there are how many open issues and active projects, all these things are there, for example. So now today we will see about the workspace. So let's understand what is workspace. It's a new kind of view for many of you who are watching right now. So we would understand that, and also I will show you how you can work in workspace, okay, in my personal developer instance. Okay, so what is workspace? So if we see the picture, you can see this feels like an integrated environment or a particular environment which is designed for a particular work. So if I focus on here, you can see there is an overview section on the top in the picture, and it is showing what are the incidents assigned to me. So we can understand this is a workspace, or this is an area where an agent who is working in a particular ticket, right, that is working in an incident, so they can come and they can see that what are the number of incident assigned to that person, what are the SLA remaining, what are the unassigned incident, and so many other detailed stuff that we would cover in the demo. Also in another area where user can see the details of the incident, they can create a problem or request, or they can create an incident task directly from this environment. So this environment is giving an agent. So for an example, if we talk about particularly about this workspace, although we have a different workspace to provide different kind of environment, different kind of helpful integrated environment or centralized environment for different kind of work. So if I talk about the service operations work, if I'm the agent, then I can see all of the details in a single page, right? Which is in the workspace page. Now, if you are getting it difficult to understand, don't worry. In the demo, I'll show you practically how it is helpful. Okay. So if we see some definitions or some points here, it is saying that it provides agent and professional targeted purpose built tools and information on a single page, right? So we can see here all the different kind of tools they are providing, which is purpose built, like those tools are doing some purpose. They have built for some purpose. All this information are there in a single page. Also, we can see solve issues faster as everything you need in a same place. Now, if you have all the things which you need in a single place, then you can easily work on it very quickly, right? So this is all about the idea of the workspace. Now, before I move it to the employee center, let me quickly show you the workspace, how it looks like and how you can create use workspace, right? Okay, so I'm in my personal developer instance now from the Tokyo edition of ServiceNow that we are using right now. We have this option called workspaces. In the workspaces, if I click on there, I can get four workspace which is out of the box. Now these workspace, like I was talking, each and every workspace has a different reason for creating and different purpose they are fulfilling, right? For an example, if I go to the asset workspace, it would only show me the details of the asset. So if a person working on asset, or if a team working on assets management of a particular company or a particular project, so they would be able to see all the details of the assets and different kind of things that I'll show you when it's taking time to loads up. Hardware asset overview, which you can see there are so many important things like fill in missing location, filling acquisition method, PO number. There are so many things. Quick links, I can directly access asset dashboard, inventory dashboard. Also, there are some things available here also, some chart, asset count by model category, how many consumable, computer, software license, everything. I mean, if you come to that, if you are working on asset or if you want to see the progress and what is the current situation of your company's asset, you can come to that workspace and let me unpin this, and you can get that experience, great experience in a single place, all this information, right? Also, there are different, you can see it's asset workspace right now. If I go back, if I go to the, we have CMDB workspace, platform analytics workspace, service operation workspace. That is where we are going to deal with it. So let me close the asset workspace. Now, this is the workspace where we are going to work, and I'm going to show you today how it is working. So you can see it is loading hello system because I've logged in as a system administrator. So it will show me what are the incidents that is assigned to me, what are the SLA of those incident, what is the recently viewed things, right? Incident assigned to me. This is also going to load some chart, right? So to show you in this things in a better way, okay, there's no incident, so there's no data it is showing right now. So what I'm going to do is that I will create an incident first. What I'm going to do is that let me go to normal, our old classical view that we used to uh, use before, right? Now, if I click, let's create a new incident and let's assign to that incident to, let's see, to whom we can assign. Let me log a priority one incident, maybe high priority incident. So I'm gonna log it for Abel tutor. Okay, and maybe short description is maybe Outlook is not working for the whole team. Okay, that is the issue. This is a P1 issue, and suppose it is assigned to the network team. Don't worry about that. These are the client script and business rules that I've worked on before. Let's assign it to the network team and let's see who are the member of network team. So let's assign this ticket to David Lu. Okay, and let's submit this. That's it. Done. Now I will open, I'll impersonate as David Lu right now, and then I will use the workspace version to see that how it looks like for me, for an agent like David Lu. So now I will just work as David Lu. So I'll go to the search and then search for David Lu. David Lu. Uh, yep. impersonate. So now I'm logged in as a David Liu. Now I'll open the workspace version. Let me close all these tabs. So I'm gonna click on this three dot to see the workspace, ServiceNow Workspace, Operation Workspace. Let it load. Okay, so you can see, hello David. There is some information it is showing. Now here I can see there is incident assigned to me. That means as incident assigned to David Liu is on hold one, three ticket is in progress, right? So I'm getting a single environment where I can see all this information. So if I normally if I want to see the normal incident classic form, then I need to go to the all, and then under self service we need to go to the my request or my my group worked, all those areas, all those modules, to see what are the incident assigned to me, what are the requests assigned to me. So this is much more clear and much more deeper, giving more information. Like for an example, what are the SLA? So I have one ticket, that is two tickets which is breached. One ticket is 25% already there, and there is one ticket less than 1 hour. This is the SLA tab. Also, in the right hand side, these are the one incident in SLA at risk that we have. Two incident that is breached, more than 10 overdue tasks that I have. Now, incident assigned to me, if I come here, I can see these are the incident assigned to me. And I think the latest one that is assigned, you can see Outlook is not working for the whole team. This is the latest one which is assigned, right? So if I click on here, now it will open the workspace view. See, it is not opening in a new or that form view, that the classical form view that we used to use. This is the workspace view. So you can see this is the heading and this is a summary of the ticket. And this is the view which you are looking is the workspace view. Okay. And if I come here, it is showing also that the impact is high, and you can see the caller is Abel Twitter. Also, I'm getting the information about Abel product management. He's in Brasilia, America, Los Angeles. The ticket has been opened by system administrator. This is assigned to me. I can also do this reassign. Now from here, what I can do is that I can go to the details tab also to check the details of the incident. This is more of a form view. Okay, so you can see here, this is a short description. There is no description in progress. 111 caller is this. Now from here I can send some message. So I can type here also my comment. If I work notes also, I can provide private work notes that is to the user for Abel. So hi Abel, maybe I have fixed the issue. So hi Abel, I have worked on your issue, worked on your issue and fix it. Okay. Then I can post these work notes and the message would go to the Abel directly. And if I choose the option comments, then the comments everyone can see that this is a kind of a work notes, and this work notes private is kind of an additional comment if we talk about in our classic form, right? So once it's done, I can also click on save, and also I can click on different things from here. I can create a request from here, create a problem ticket, same like from the incident form. Now the difference is that in here it is much more specifically focusing on areas, like you have seen that, right? For an agent this is a perfect place. They can see what are the SLA is remaining, which ticket is P1 ticket, which is the ticket which is have to work in right now. All these details they can see. Also, from if I go to this menu, you can see if I click on agent assist, now to assist me it will show me what are the knowledge article is there related to Outlook is not working in the same page. There are different article which is coming up which is not related to this most of the cases, because these are the out of the box again. So you can click on any article and this article will come up to you, open, and you can read this article. Isn't it interesting? So for normal view, classic view we used to use, there we need to open the knowledge article. I have also shown you in the last video in a different tab or in a different page, right? From here you can check all this knowledge article. Then also we have option for you can get experts on call. Now attachment we can do. Also we can do use templates. So there is no template as of now. So you can choose template also. You can save the ticket. Also you can go to the related records. Related record to check what is the SLA. We have already discussed about SLA. So you can check the SLA from here also on the from the related records also. All right. So once done, then you can click on the resolve button. So I can directly click on resolve from here, and you can see it will come up with the important field that I need to fill up. That's the resolution code that you already know. Maybe resolved by solution provided, and something maybe like solution provided, same thing. You know that you cannot close this incident without providing this thing. Also, we have seen in the classic form. I'm going to click on resolve now, and the ticket would get resolved. Fine, right? The tickets gets resolved. And also now if I go to my home page here, I would be able to see now this ticket should not be there anymore. Let's load the data. You can see one ticket, it is resolved. Now it is showing one ticket I have resolved. Now if I scroll down, you can see my ticket, one ticket is resolved. Now being David Lu, now I can move into my next ticket. So in a single environment, you can see we are able to see what are the ticket assigned to me, what are the important highlights, upcoming things, what are the recent area I have visited, recently viewed, and also different kind of chart. Okay, I can also go to my team's work to see what are the different areas my teams are working, what is the incident SLA remaining for them, what are the incident assigned to them. Different people see David Lu, Dawn, it is assigned to, it is assigned to Howard, right? It is assigned to Beth. So these are the different people from the network team or any team where David Lu is part of, and they can see the whole progress of the team. Isn't it awesome, right? So in a place like this, you can just experience better, you can experience your work, do faster things and give resolution to the user fast, right? So this is all about workspace, guys. Also another thing I want to show you right now, this is a bonus thing I'm going to show you. If you click on this add button, you can create a new incident from here. Also you can provide all this information and you can create a new incident from here. Okay, another thing what you can do is that plus sign, you can create a new interaction. Now, interaction is something that it's maybe it's a quickly you can if you get a call from the user or user come to a chat, the quickly you can store this few information like open for who is opening, for whom you are opening this, to whom you are assigning, what is the type it is coming from chat, messaging, or user is calling you, description, short description, few information, and then you can save it. For an example, let me say it's a phone call and it is short description is password not working. Okay, just quickly show you, and it is open for the user table would open up, maybe if open up from Abraham Lincoln, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on save. Now this is save as interaction. Okay, then I can convert this interaction. I've just saved this information and user may left the call. Now what I can do is that I can do create an incident from here. I can create a change from here. I can create a request from here. Suppose I decided that user is looking, well, I mean, maybe password is not working. So suppose the case is user is looking for a new phone or something user, some software. Then I can directly convert into by clicking on create request, or I can create a change. If I click on create incident right now, it would convert into an incident with the information, and the incident form would be also updated with the information. You can see password not working, incident is created. This is the incident number, this is all the information. So how good it is, right? So service operation workspace, this is has been designed to work for particular, to solve particular this area. Now in your project maybe it names as different, you are already working in workspaces. So this is very very important, guys, you must explore it. Okay, and in the end of the video I'll tell you from where you can explore it and get more knowledge, okay, from a video, right? So this is all about workspace. Now I will keep with the example of David Lu, where David Lu was working on Abel's ticket, right? That P1 ticket. All right, let's go back. Now we are going to see what is employee center quickly. You can see with the picture, it explains everything. So it's your one-stop shop for employee and sorry, enterprise service delivery. Now this is something you can say very advanced stage of advanced thing of service portal. We know what is service portal. I have already explained what is service portal. You understand from it is a place, right? Now this is advanced version of service portal. You can see, you can see available for all customers, so you'll be able to see it. Scale service across department, homepage based on the best practices, AI search, experience, different kind of things that you are would be able to see. Let me show you this thing. Okay, let me go to the personal developer instance. So from here, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go to normal service now. Let me impersonate as Abel. Okay, this and this employee center is for the user. Remember that. Okay. I'm gonna click on. Instead of going to service portal, now Abel can go to service portal and check what is the update of the incident. What I mean for the P1 incident, right? Outlook is not working. Now he he doesn't need to go that. He can go to the all and he can go for the employee center. This is something we have just read, right? This is available for all the employee. So if I go to employee center, so Abel is going to the employee center to check what is the update of the, his request. Now, employee center has a two version. Let me tell you, employee center, this is the normal version. There is a pro version. For that, you need licensing. Also, you can check in the plugins portal, enable the plugin or update the employee center. Okay, for you, if it is not updated for you. Okay, we'll discuss about plugins more in upcoming videos. So now I will go to IT for IT. I can also see three requests is there. Now from here I can request for knowledge base. I can go to my request. Outlook is not working for whole team. I can open it from here. I can see the message from David Lu. Hi, Abel, I worked on your issue and fix it. So this is the area, or this is, however, this is not customized that much, and this is a demo instance, so I'm not able to show you perfectly. But if you go to the, now I'm going to tell you the where you need to go. It's nothing but the that is the docs.servicenow.com, or you can just search in Google about Employee Center and Workspace to get more information. You'd be able to see, in a more better way. Right, also I have a message button. This is also available in service portal. By using this you can open directly the ServiceNow chatbot. Yes, ServiceNow virtual agent that we are going to understand and know in my bonus content that I've shared with you on the first, right, in the first ServiceNow class. I told you I'm going to cover this agent things, how you can configure and create virtual agent. So make sure you watch my rest of the videos to understand and to come first. See, this is asking for some in, see, it is not working right now, but we will make it live, right? I hope this video helps you, and also do update in the comment section if you have any question. Hit the like button if you like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends and families so that it can reach out to many people. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.